Humalig. Ang gulo. Yan yung bangka. Finally, in Humalig. Stress ka na ba? Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, may footage na tayo before this clip. Pero, we are now here in Humalig. This is technically a private residence of my friend. So, para sa mga hindi pa nakakarating ng Humalig, papunta dito is 3 hours from Metro Manila to Real, Quezon. May port dun. And then from that port, there are boats going to Humalig, Polillo. Depende yan sa araw kung anong oras yung biyahe ng boat. Pero ngayon ay Holy Week, the boat started leaving the port at 4 in the morning. Kaya nakaalis kami ng port siguro 5:30. Dumating kami dito sa mismong Humalig around 10:30, nakalabas kami ng boat 11. Nandito kami sa property 11:30. So medyo mahaba ang biyahe pero it's all worth that really long trip because this place is amazing. So ulitin ko lang, this is a private property but all over Humalig maraming mga resort. Depende yan sa mga budget ninyo. Pero karamihan na nandito ang intindi ko ay really budget friendly. Kaya, I'll show you around. Narinig niyo yung mga huni ng ibon. I just cannot find them. I also wanna see how they look like. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Look at that beach. Go to the beach. Ng hangin. The sand is wet. It's raining last night. Good morning. It's our second day here. Magana naman ang mukha ko. It's 6 in the morning. Just having coffee. We're going snorkeling. I'll bring it with me. And it's gonna be our official first full day here. So, actually kagabi pa lang they're already asking, kailan tayo babalik dito? Because this place is paradise. So, yun. Walking towards that sandbar. Babaw ng tubig. You can see walang alon, walang araw ngayon. Hey!
Ang ganda naman ng
Yan?
Meron yan. Mataba yan. Lalo na to, oh. 4, 6, 7.
Ay.
Then we're going into the sea. Hi guys. So Friday night in Normally. Good morning. Day 3. We are touring the island. Ito na tayo, nasa Habal. Ano, different beach. Grabe yung sand, parang orange. Tawag na golden. Anong tawag din eh?
Sa dong.
Kasi nga dahil ganito.
May bayad daw. May bayad daw.
May bayad ang?
Ano man po yan? Bali, ano yan? Parang mayroon din.
Little Boracay naman guys. Because of the sand, it's powdery white. Looks like Boracay with the matching seaweed. Sige. Dito na kami sa taas ng Little Batanes. Ito ngayon sa isa sa mga tuktok ng Little Batanes. Ganda ng view. Siyempre, daming turista. Another stop. I don't know the name. Pero look at that. Parang desert. May mga bato. Pag tumagos ka sa kuweba, pulilyo na. And we are back. That was, I think, 3 hours long. So saya naman. Back in the resort and have lunch. Talk to you in a bit. Hi guys, so iniwan ko kayo the other day. I think we just finished the day tour. So ngayon, we're just chilling, watching Netflix sa harap ng dagat. Cannot be watching the dagat. Out kayaking. That's the sunset. Last night. Whoa, look at the dinner tonight. Hi guys, so it's around 10 p.m. here in Humalig. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung dagat. Tsaka yung